Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Today is, what is today? Today is Tuesday. I have Ronnie's party set for this coming Monday. And the rest of this week is pretty booked for me and him. And so today I want to get a concrete list of anything else that I need to pick up for the birthday party because I am going shopping on Thursday. I have some soup on the stove. I'm going to eat me a quickie lunch because I did not eat breakfast today. I just had a cup of coffee. My lovely husband let me sleep in till about 8:30 today. Usually I get up about 6:30 every day, but today I got up at about 8:15, 8:30. It was a lovely lay-in this morning, and I felt very good because of it, and he's such a sweet guy. He just is. I'm gonna go eat my soup, and then we're going to get cracking and cleaning.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. with you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Hey guys, so I wanted to come in and end this video. Today didn't quite go as I had initially hoped and planned that it would have. First of all, I did not tell you this morning that I have had a migraine headache for 2 days. And so finally, after getting rid of my migraine at about 2:15 this afternoon, even though I pushed through and did some things, I really did not get done everything that I had hoped to put into this video, but definitely did put a dent in everything. You all did see me spot mop the floors in here in the living room. The reason why I didn't thoroughly mop is because I always do that the day of the party so that everything is freshly clean. Now, I did need to get in the bathroom and get that Christmas shower curtain down, so I'm glad I finally did that. And I made some really good dinner. My son called me, so that kind of took a little bit of a chunk of my afternoon. And yeah, so that is going to be it for this video. I feel like it's really short and sweet, but you know, you guys like me to keep it real on here, so I'm going to keep it real that today did not pan out exactly how I had hoped. So now I am I'm sitting here in my chair. I just got done folding the laundry, and I have Dallas on TV. I watch Dallas. I think it's Freeze. I don't know what it's called. It's a free app, and they have a lot of the older TV shows. And I'm watching the old Dallas series, and I'm pretty much where it first started, and it's kind of funny to watch it because of the outfits and the hair and all the stuff that was so popular then, and I'm watching it and it's funny. It's also funny because JR was such a huge thing to talk about back in the day, and Bobby, if you all remember when people was crying and all upset when Bobby got killed. And if you're not familiar with the series, they spent an entire season without Bobby to only find out that his wife was dreaming that he was dead. He was actually still alive. And it was just a dream. It is so funny. But anyways, yes, I'm watching Dallas, and I'm going to close this out. I am going to go take me a hot shower. Tomorrow I have craft day with my friends at Cabawayne Association for the Blind, and I'm really looking forward to that. And it's just going to be a nice, couple hours or so out for myself, and hang out with a bunch of women, which I don't do that often. And then Ronnie's going to go to the gym. So yeah, we're going to go I'm going to have a good time tomorrow. And then the rest of the weekend is going to be getting ready for Ronnie's birthday party. And I'm hoping to film a lot of that action and share that with you. So be looking forward to that. If you guys have not guessed, I am putting out video content Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. So you guys will get video content on 3 days a week. It's so far that's really working out for me, that schedule. I would really like to get more video content out for you guys, but you know what? I'm not going to overpromise myself. I'm going to keep it as is because it's working. And don't try to fix something that ain't broken. So it's working for me, so it's good. I just want to say thank you so much for watching me. I hope you guys have a fantastic week and weekend. And I will be catching you all again really, really soon. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I'd love to have you part of Heidi's Home. There are going to be a lot of great videos coming up in the future. So I'm thinking along the lines of spring cleaning, Valentine's Day, spring cleaning. I've got a birthday. We will not say how old I'm going to be turning. Yes, so we got a lot of great things coming, and I want you guys to be tuned in for all of those great things that's on their way. So I'm going to say good night, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.